Hey guys, this is the third video on how to find the derivative of a function using the quotient rule. Okay, so as always, or as in the last video, you're going to break this down into two parts. So this is going to be part one, and that's going to be part two. Now the first part we're going to call f. And so you're going to take x plus 1, and then you're going to find the derivative of f, and that's just going to be 1. Now for the second part, right here, you're going to have g, and that's just the whole thing, just as it says, minus 2, and then you're going to have g prime, and this is going to be the derivative. So what is the derivative? Looks like we've got a 3x squared plus 1. Okay, so first step, cross multiply. So for the first step, you're going to take 1 times, or f prime times g, so 1 times that is just going to give us this. So we're going to say x to the third plus x minus 2. Alright, and we'll throw that in brackets for now. Then we're going to subtract it, so this is 1, and this is going to be part 2 over here. We're going to subtract it from everything that's going to be in these brackets. So the second step is we're going to cross multiply x plus 1, or f, times g prime, 3x squared plus 1. Okay, so for part 2, let's just put this in parentheses. We've got x plus 1 times 3x squared plus 1. Okay. Now, before we go on, well, and actually, for the derivative, of course, this is what it would look like. Y prime equals that all over g. So you got g, x to the third plus x minus 2 squared. Okay, so but we can simplify this. So let's do that. First we're going to do is we're going to break this part right here down. So let's do that over here. So we got x plus 1 times 3x squared plus 1. So x times 3x squared is going to give us 3x cubed plus x, because x times 1 is x, plus 1 times 3x squared, which is going to leave us with 3x squared plus 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. Alright, now so now what we gotta do is we're gonna take this whole, so this is still in brackets, okay, remember this whole thing is gonna be negative. So what we can do is let's just write this out. So we've got right here, we're going to take this, we're going to say x cubed plus x minus 2 minus 3x cubed. Remember, you got to take this and you're going to put it in front of everything. So it's going to be minus minus, and minus. So minus 3x cubed minus x minus 3x squared minus 1. Now let's simplify that down. So you've got a positive x cubed and a negative x cubed. So that's, or negative 3x cubed, sorry. So that's going to leave us with a negative 3x cubed. You've got a positive x and a negative x. So those are just going to cancel out. And then you've got a negative 3x squared. Okay, time out. I messed up. Sorry about that. Sorry. A negative 3x cubed plus an x cubed is going to leave us with a negative 2x cubed. Okay. So then your positive x and your negative x, they cancel out, and then you're going to be left with a negative right here, negative 3x squared minus 3. So you got your negative 2 over here, and you got your negative 1. Okay, so, and then that is going to be all over this right here. So you got x cubed plus x minus 2 to the second power, and that is going to be your final answer. So if you're going to write this out, you would say y prime equals negative 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3 all over x to the third plus x minus 2 squared. And that is the derivative of this function right here.